Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be covering how to add HTML code to WordPress. For this example, I'm going to be using this piece of HTML code, which represents this table. And I'm going to add it to one of my pages, but if I was adding it to a blog post, the steps would be exactly the same. So to add HTML to our pages and posts, we just need to open up the page or post in the editor, or add a new one. Then we're going to take a new line wherever we're wanting to add our HTML, and click the plus symbol to the right. Now we need to type HTML into this search bar and choose Custom HTML. Now we just need to copy our HTML code from wherever we have it saved and paste it into this box. Once it's pasted in, we can update our page or post. And now when we visit it, we'll see that the HTML code has been successfully added to our site. Then if we want to add HTML to our WordPress sidebars and widget areas, it's basically the exact same process. We just need to visit our dashboard, hover over Appearance on the left, and click Widgets. Then we need to click into the widget area we're wanting to add our HTML to, which for me is going to be my main sidebar. Then we're going to click the plus symbol at the bottom, type HTML into this search bar, and choose Custom HTML. Now we need to paste our HTML code into this box. And then we can change the order of our widgets if we want to, but I'm going to leave mine as they are with the HTML at the bottom. Then we just need to click Update in the top right. And now when we visit our site, we'll see that our HTML appears in the sidebar or whatever widget area we added it to. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to add HTML to WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.